welcome back to Chat Time with Julia. Today we're going to be making a part 3, 4 of the diorama. And we need to add bolts. So paper bolt. We need a paper. This is not a clean sheet of paper, it's just a scratch paper because it's practice. I don't really know how to make a paper bolt. We're gonna need to make a smaller bolt. So we're gonna put this in half. We're gonna fold it in half again. So with a pinch. Fold it in half. As I was saying, we have 4 pieces now. Okay, so you fold it like this, and then when you do, you have to do this. Make sure that these two are leveled, and then it's like a paper airplane. But instead, you do this for a paper airplane. But for this one, we will fold it like this. So we have one flap up. And on the other side, we do the same thing. Okay, and then we open. And then when you open it, it will look like a little cup. But you need to open it and then fold it like this so that it becomes like a square or a diamond, whatever view you're in. So I'm gonna fold it like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it like this. And then we open it and fold it again. And fold it like once. Like this. It's like the others, but it's getting smaller. And like this. So it has to look like this triangle. But instead of folding it like this, remember, we're gonna open it. 3, 2, 1. I did it! Guys, I did it! Yay! Now the little fisherman has his boat. I'm gonna put it here. Okay. So, that was it for today's video. I really enjoyed it. This is Chat Time with Julia, and until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!